Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a page in Squarespace. This is incredibly useful if you want to restrict access to certain content, whether it's for clients, members, or exclusive resources. Let's walk through it step by step. First, head over to your browser and type in squarespace.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct login details to access your dashboard where all your site management happens. After logging in, you'll land on your Squarespace dashboard. Here, you'll see all the websites you've created under your account. Simply click on the website where you want to add password protection to a page. This will open up that specific site's settings and options. Once you're inside your chosen website, look over to the left side of the screen where you'll find the main navigation panel. Click on Website, and directly under that option, you'll see Pages. Click on Pages to view all the individual pages that make up your site. This is where you'll be able to manage and configure each page individually. Now your pages will be displayed in a list format. Navigate through this list to find the specific page you want to password protect. Once you've located it, click the gear icon next to that page. This gear icon is your gateway to the page settings, where you can customize various aspects of how that page functions and who can access it. Inside the page settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled password. This is the feature that allows you to lock the page behind a password requirement. Click on the password field and insert the password you'd like to use for that page. Choose something secure but also easy enough for your intended audience to remember. After you've entered your password, click Save to apply the changes. This ensures that anyone trying to access this page will now need to enter the correct password before viewing the content. Now, here's an important step to customize the user experience. On the left side of your screen, click on System Pages. From the options that appear, click on Lock Screen. This is the page that visitors will see when they attempt to access your password-protected page. You can customize this lock screen to match your branding or provide instructions on how to obtain the password if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully password-protected a page in Squarespace, giving you full control over who can view specific content on your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.